Hi, today I'd like to tell you about our latest update to the user interface. You will see that Kantree has a brand new look and feel, starting with a font and general airiness. And it starts with the organization's main page. You will see that there are three new tabs towards the top: Overview, General Workspace, where you can view the workspaces within the organization, create a new one right from there, either from scratch or using our template library. And you can also check out what members are in the organization. You can remove them or you can invite new people. Basically, you have access to a lot more information from one space without having to click around Kantree, and you will know what's going on in your organization. But the standout feature of this update is My Work, which combines Kantree Inbox that you already know with global dashboards. So here you can see the inbox feed, your calendar, your cards, your form requests, and you can decide which workspaces Kantree will pull this information from. You can select all, you can select a few, or just your favorites. And just like before, you can set this page as your homepage in Kantree. The dashboard view, here you can create global reports from all over the workspaces. So you don't have to go anywhere else. You can just go to this My Work tab and work from there. So now let's take a look at some of the visual improvements. Here's a Kanban board, and as you can see, it's very colorful, it's clean, it's sleek, it's very easy on the eyes. And the same aesthetic is carried over to the table view and the interactive checklist. And there's a new way of adding cards to your workflow. It's right from the top bar in the right-hand corner. You can just click on the plus button to create a new card. Speaking of cards, they have been given a new look. Again, there's more space, they're airy, and there's also a visual separation between the sidebar and the rest of the card. And what that means is that you can add the new fields and arrange them and make sure that everything's really beautifully visually organized for easy access. In the calendar and timeline mode, there's a use field button in the top bar that lets you choose which date field to use when you display your cards. We also have good news for those of you who use the Kantree query language, the KQL, to filter boards. You can still use the Kantree formula editor to customize your cards, but now there's also a filter editor that does the same but doesn't require KQL knowledge. It's very user-friendly and it lets you combine a lot of requests, add conditions, select which workspaces or cards to include in your search results. Speaking of searching, there is a quick search button in the same top toolbar, and it's for running a quick search in your current board. Another addition to the toolbar is the sort button, which allows you to sort the entire board as opposed to what you could do before, which was sort data from each column separately. But wait, there is more. We're also introducing a new way to sort your information. That is by adding categories to public views. That way, people will have quick access to the information they need. This is just another way to get ultra organized using Kantree. We are also introducing batch selection, which means that you can select multiple cards in your board and apply a specific action to all of them at the same time. Last but not least is the new Integrations tab located right below Automations. Integrations are nothing new, but now they are more easily accessible. From here, you can add a Kantree calendar to your phone or your computer. You can use Kantree forms, you can import spreadsheets, export information, connect to external data sources, and so on. You can also connect Kantree with third-party apps such as Dropbox, GitHub, Google Drive, Slack, all the popular services you know. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.